As we all know, today is International Yoga Day. Yoga is a practical aid, not a religion. Yoga is an ancient art based on a harmonizing system of development for the body, mind, and spirit. The continued practice of yoga will lead you to a sense of peace and well being, and also a feeling of being at one with the environment. This is a simple definition.
Lotus pose, Padmasana. It keeps the spine straight and helps to develop good posture. It stretches ankles and knees and opens up the hip. It keeps joints and ligaments flexible and calms the brain.
Easy pose, Sukhasana. Level beginners. Stretches and tones inner thighs and ankles. Improves posture and ideal for pranayama. Good for flat feet.
Level beginners, great hip opener and posture corrector. Stretches and relaxes shoulders and lower backs. Relieves from neck pain and anxiety.
Cow pose, level beginner, great restorative pose for lower back stiffness, stiffness arm and knees, good for students looking to enhance focus.
Child pose, level beginner, great for stress, depression and anxiety, relaxes upper back, necks and arms, helps sleep better at night.
Child pose, also known as Balasana, increases circulation, great for stress, depression and anxiety, relaxes upper back, neck and arms, helps sleep better at night.
Child pose, Balasana, level beginner, great for stress, depression and anxiety, relaxes upper back, neck and arms, help sleep better at night.
Bharadwaja twist, Bharadwajasana, level intermediate, tones waist and improves BMR, relaxes spine and neck, opens chest cavity for pranayama.
Cobra pose, Bhujanasana, level intermediate, improves the force and reduction, extends the cardiovascular capacity, turns the economy and lower back.
Dolphin pose, level intermediate, bring relief to asthma patients, stress reliever, prevent osteoporosis.
Cobra pose, Bhujangasana, level intermediate, improves focus and retention, enhances cardiovascular capacity, tones abdomen and lower back.
Camel pose or Uttarasana is an intermediate level asana. It strengthens the knees and back, enhances balance and flexibility, and improves concentration.
Bridge pose on elbows, Dhuvapada Dhanushasana, level intermediate, beneficial in stress, depression and anxiety, improves neck and spine health, enhances memory and focus.
Bow pose, Dhanurasana. It tones lower back, thighs and buttocks. It stretches quads, ankles and forearms. It opens up chest cavity and strengthens lungs.
Bow pose, Dhanurasana, level intermediate, tones lower back, thighs and buttocks. Stretches quads, ankles and forearms. Opens chest cavity and strengthens lungs.
Crocodile pose, level beginner, greatly anxious and depressed mind, restores energy and rejuvenates physically, good for flat feet.
Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition and is a holistic approach to health and well-being. It positively changes your lifestyle and increases the level of well-being. including yoga in everyday life, is one of the healthiest practice people can ever make. It not only makes you physically well, but will calm your mind and soul as well.